Hi gorgeous, welcome back to my channel. In case I don't see you personally, happy early Valentine's Day. I'm glad you're here and remember that you are loved. So in case you're wondering, what are we going to talk about today? I have another unboxing just for you. Here I am wearing my Jeffree Valentine shirt. We are going to unbox something I was so surprised to get my hands on because it sold out literally in like a couple minutes. It was gone, completely gone. I even paid for shipping. That's how excited I was. And for the record, paying for shipping, it doesn't really get here any faster for me. It was about the same amount of time, so I'll probably just go with free shipping for now. And I think it's just for me the distance because I am fairly close to the facility. So, but today I have the big Jeffree Star Valentine mystery box. I went ahead and cracked open the seal, so let's go ahead and take a look at what's inside. Toss that aside. And this design is on the back of the shirt that I'm currently wearing, but this doesn't feel like a shirt. What is this? Okay. I wonder, I thought it was a duplicate shirt at first, but it doesn't feel like it. It's a tote bag. How cute is that? So again, it says, I'm gagging, can't relate. Hi, how are ya? Jeffree Star approved, which is now the second thing they've sent me that says I am Jeffree Star approved. Jeffree Star heart logo and iconic. I love tote bags. I use them all the time. I always forget them when I go grocery shopping, which is funny because I have a bundle specifically for groceries and somehow they get into the car, but never make it from car to store. Like, I don't know how that happens. Whoosh. We have, what is this? This is something different. It's in a bag. It has a zipper. This strap actually says Jeffree on it. How cute is that? There's a little logo there, and even the tag on the back also says Jeffree. It's just a little side bag, a little side purse. That's cute. I don't have anything like this, so I don't know, but it's small, it's compact. If I don't want to take a full-on purse again, it would be like the same thing as a tote. If I just need my wallet, my phone, maybe my lipstick for touch-ups, and boom, done. This would work. I might have to try this out when I go to work this weekend, and we'll see how it does. Like, right on. I would never buy something like this for myself in a store because I wouldn't think about it, but having it be gifted to me like this, you better believe I'm gonna put this little baby to use. So yeah, I got a little Jeffree Star side bag. Definitely different. It's not cosmetic, so interesting. I don't know. All right, so we're opening it up and that's torn. And I already know what that is right there. You can see it. Ooh. I actually don't even need to open it. I already know what it is. I can open it for you guys so you know, but this will be the third one of these I have received. The Blue Blood eyeshadow palette. I absolutely love this palette. It's gorgeous. It has this beautiful range of blues and green, like blue-green, like teal tones. And a couple peaches in there. The box is very, very soft. It has this interesting, like almost like a velvety texture to it. It's just very soft and luxurious. You open it up. The eyeshadow case itself is going to be this beautiful Tiffany blue with this filigree design, and it looks like kind of like a coffin. See, we have this beautiful blue lock here, and then if we open it up, it has these gorgeous shades there. Now, I ordered this one when it came out on launch initially. By the time I received the actual package, the day it arrived, I had a bunch of dental work done and I was so doped up on all the painkillers and whatever else they used to knock me out that I tried to do a review, and honestly it was just hilarious and good times. And oh god, like if you want to go back and watch that video, it was fun. It was just a silly video. Like I even tried to edit it when I was all doped up and just no, hilarity ensued. The second time I received this was during the holiday collection for Christmas. I received it in my mystery box, but I received it in the, I believe it was the middle size box. So interesting that it went from being the middle box to now the high-end box. But I mean, that is what it is with mystery boxes. Not really sure what I'm going to do with it yet, because the first one I have, the locking mechanism broke and it's been loved and used and all that good stuff. So the second one I received during Christmas, I'm definitely going to keep. This one, I'm not sure what we're going to do with it just yet, but I'll make sure it goes to a good home somewhere. Someone can use this a lot more than I can, and it's definitely worth it. So if you've been eyeballing one of these online, absolutely get it, especially if you love the cool tones. The blues perform so beautifully on here. I always get compliments whenever I use this palette. Whoosh! Up next, we have more tissue paper. Cool. What is this? This is something different. This is baby blue. I wonder if it's also part of the Blue Blood collection, but I don't remember anything coming in a baby blue. Looks like they didn't just close it right because the seal's all off. Ooh, it's another highlighter palette. This one I also do not own. This came out during the summer. It is the Brain Freeze Skin Frost Pro palette. I don't own this. This came out during the Jawbreaker, Whole Candy, Summer Treats vibe. Oh, how cool is that? Look at the design. It really does look like ices. Like, honestly, it really does. It reminds me of the swirls when you mix it and you go from like flavor to flavor to flavor and you just pump your cup full until it overflows. Not that I've ever done that. Anyway. So this one has like a frosted film on it, so you can't actually see the mirror, but the mirror itself, when I peeled this off, is just a normal mirror. You can see yourself. It doesn't have any weird frosting to it. But here is the color story. Now this is interesting because if you look at this one here in particular, it's made up of a bunch of different colors, which I thought was very cool. At the time this was released, I hadn't seen anything like that at that point. So I was really nervous and I always wanted to see how they performed on someone, but no one I knew actually picked it up, so I was disappointed and I just couldn't pull the trigger at the time. But now that I got it, we can play and swatch. Here we are looking at Cold Shoulder, Gold Breaker, Cocky. Cold Shoulder, Gold Breaker, Cocky. You know, not that I hate the names, but I don't see Cocky as Brain Freeze or put that really together with the icy treats, so maybe you kind of lost me with the names a bit. Statuesque, Frozen Fruit, and Freeze Tag. I wonder if Frozen Fruit smells like cherries or something. No sense this time, darn. But here we go. We have Statuesque, Frozen Fruit, and Freeze Tag. Ooh, Freeze Tag. Holy cow, look how that stands out just above the rest. What? Okay, I'm a sucker for highlighters, so you know that one's probably gonna be my new go-to. I can't even lie. Like, wow. Frozen Fruit definitely came out the clear winner here. We need to talk for a second. Guys, there's a really serious issue going on in my life and I just need to open up and get real with you for a moment. I need you guys to really help me out, and there's that subscribe button there and you should hit it. Wow. I'm just gonna keep saying it because wow. But that is brain freeze. Oh, look, the return of the pop sockets. I'm actually excited. I use the pop sockets quite a bit. It seems like by the time I get a new one, the one I was using before tends to wear out. I actually just switched mine out about 4 days ago, and for a non-Jeffree Star one, it just had like a pretty like metallic design on it, and I slapped that on there because I was like, oh, after I got the holiday stickers from the last box, I figured, oh, I guess Jeffree's not doing pop sockets anymore, but I'm really glad. And it's pink, so it's good for me. Here we have, oh, a liquid lip in the holiday color mistletoe. So it's green. I don't believe I own this. Don't let all this red hair fool you. Green is my color. Always has and always will be. Bam. Just like the bottle. Like, honestly, no different. The gloss. Ooh. I guess they're doing a second round of the glosses. Maybe they'll stick around for summer this time. I don't know. This one is in the shade Soft Core Sparkle. I'm sure it's because you couldn't use the true soft core name. Wow, that is a purple. Holy cow. So again, it has the new writing on it of the gloss, but that is just a purpley pink sparkle. Oh my gosh. Wow, 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 wow. Okay, let's take a look at that one. Now these two together, I'm getting totally Joker vibes, but I love it. It looks cool. I can't wait to use it. I think that's very, very pretty. I would use that more than the nude, the gloss that I got in the other box. So I'm excited. Up next, we have another the gloss. So apparently last time it was mirrors and this time it's glosses, huh? So this is another one of the gloss. This is in their normal packaging versus this one would be like the Valentine packaging. See, it's a little different. This one's pink with gold writing. This was in the color Ice Cold, which I actually do not own. This one was named after the iconic highlighter shade. It's a pure white, just solid, extreme glitter, extreme payoff. Just look at that white gloss. Ice cold. Brr, it's cold in here. So we still have quite a few things to go in here. Let's start off with this. Oh, this is a velour lip scrub. I love their sugar lip scrubs. Of course, they're vegan, and if you ever have extra after you're done scrubbing your lips, you can always look at nom, 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 and then you don't have any extra. Now this one is in the flavor, I think that's fair enough to say with it being sugar, in the flavor or scent of root beer. And it looks like root beer there. Ooh, that smells like you guys know those root beer candies, like the little barrel ones? Oh, it smells just like the candies, which I mean, I guess smells like root beer, but you know, it just smells like candy. 2 more liquid lips. The first one is the color Restraint. Oh, bondage never hurt anybody, right? I don't know. Don't listen to me. Kids stay in school. I'm bad, I know. So here's the color Restraints. It is this almost like a gunmetal silver liquid lip. And Jeffree would not put out any colors that he was not happy with, that didn't perform up to his standards, and that is full coverage. It's actually really pretty. Like, I was a little afraid it would be this kind of dreary, like, wicked witch sort of color, but no, it's got this really pretty shine to it. I think that would be a really gorgeous color to just play with some looks, like maybe a smoky eye and toss that on, give you a little seductress, like, Romeo, 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 wherefore, Romeo? apparently right here. Whoa. Not the color I was expecting from a shade named Romeo. I was thinking, I guess more red. And even by the tag, I would say the tag is more, no, I guess they do match. I thought the tag would have been more bright red than that, but it's actually a hot pink color. Love the pink lips. I think they just are a fun, bright color, especially like with me, I have darker features. Like I have, you know, normally very dark hair. I do dramatic lashes and I have the dark eyes. So I think a fun lip color really just brightens up my whole look and gives me sort of an approachable. We have one more thing. Ooh, and this is like another mirror. It is the season of mirrors. They're telling me, girl, you need to look at yourself. You need to take a good hard look at yourself and what are you doing? 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, what is it? Is it pretty? I hope it's pretty. Is it red? Let's find out. Boom. Oh my God. It's the new mirror. During the Valentine's launch, Jeffree actually came out with these, the stamp of approval, the Jeffree Star approved star mirrors. So obviously they ditched the old literal star shape and went with this more oval or circular shape. Wow, this mirror is huge. So this is the third thing that says I am Jeffree Star approved. I love it. Man, I'm really surprised that this was in here. Like, I'm just in shock right now. So they're similar in size. It's just that the circular one, it's filling in all the gaps of the star. So in a sense, it is a bit bigger because you're getting more mirror space. If that makes sense. But bam, oh no, bam, I am Jeffree Star approved. Well, that was the unboxing of the large, I think it's called the Supreme, because there's like different tiers and it's the big kahuna. The big kahuna that even Rich Lux and other celebrities couldn't get their hands on, but ya girl did. And guess what? Ya girl is Jeffree Star approved. All right, guys. So thank you for sticking around for that unboxing. If you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below, and I'll see everyone next time. Take care, bye-bye, and have a fabulous Valentine's Day. But remember, celebrate love each day of the year.